This one's a little bit weird because I don't have a headset on, but I'm going to do a camera shot around because this gentleman's showing me very cool thing. Take a look. These are all of the batteries. And then he's got it as a QR code. Go click, goes into the app on his phone. On his phone, he decides what he wants to pay for a plan, and boop, it unpops from the device. He pulls it out. He says, "Oh, look," and it's got all the stuff in there. He plugs it in. Now he's got a battery for the day, and look, he's even got it so it nicely attaches onto the back there. Okay, got it? Have you guys seen anything like this in the Philippines?
Nope.
Nope, they're going nope, so they don't have it yet. So that might be an opportunity to license this over there. So you want to walk me through a couple of the other kiosks there? Because that one looks like a bigger one. Okay. Same idea, just much bigger. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Same layer. So
software side, it's the same process.
Same process. Scan the QR code, pop out, out it comes. Okay. So
Just got a bigger screen.
bigger screen, okay? An even bigger screen. Okay, so you have one over here that's like a full-on kiosk as well, and then you have battery packs down below for rental. Okay? And wrap it for branding if you sell ads. So that's what they've done here is they've wrapped this to match against the brand standards of what they're doing here. Okay, got it. So I guess the question is, some obvious things. What happens when people don't return one? You charge against account? How does that work? Yeah. When you're renting? So if they don't return it, you charge against the account. Like, hey, dude, you didn't return this to it. You got to pay us for the charger. Okay. And these things are probably so low cost anyhow that when somebody lays with one, you're like, okay, here's the charger, and you can probably buy two for the price that they paid for the rental.
Yeah, it depends on how much it costs to ship it here.
Depends on how much it costs to ship it to here. Yeah. That's a lot. But you're doing well with this, with rentals in Vegas?
Yeah, we have 2,000.
You have 2,000 locations in Las Vegas? Oh, in the whole United States. Okay, cool. So they have 2,000 locations in the United States. My thought, guys, you know what I'm thinking? Barangays. Think about it.
Yep.
Right? You could do this in the malls like SM Mall, right? But how cool is that? So can you hit this one? Is that possible too?
Sorry?
Can you hit this one to pull one out with the QR code? Yeah. Oh, you got to return the old one to get a new one. Okay. Gotcha. You can only have one battery at a time. Okay, so it's tracking your account as to which battery you have. And you have to return a battery into a device before you can get another battery out. Okay, so now he's getting the QR code on this device. And there we go, goes to the app, says unlock, success, track, okay. And there's the flashing light, and there he's got his new battery pack. Off he goes again. There we go. So it's going to calculate how much it's going to charge. Oh, so it bases it on total usage too. Yeah.
So hourly charge.
Oh, and of course you got to be able to return it. So it's giving you a map of all the places you could return it. Wow, look at that. So that's how many they've got across Vegas. They have peppered Vegas with battery packs because there's a lot of people that visit Vegas. Well, you could probably do the same thing with Manila, guys. Just saying. Okay, stop recording. That was a great interview. I really appreciate you taking the time. That was awesome.